The DIY sound and light system by the DIY Guy 999 is a really impressive system with a lot of versatility. In my day cab Kenworth, I'm controlling with the FlySky FS i6X through the S-Bus. I can start and stop the engine, cycle the lights, turn signals and horn, plus many other features I haven't even started using. For the studio sleeper, I have a FlySky GT5. Even with fewer channels, I can start and stop the engine, have turn signals, horn, and lights. Some functions come on automatically instead of with a switch, but it still works great. There's a backup beeper and air purge for the brakes. My Traxxas TRX is using the original remote and receiver. Starting the engine and lights happens when you hit the throttle. You still get turn, brake, and backup lights. Even with 3 completely different radio setups, you can have amazing sound and lights. The system is fairly compact, but you still need to find a place to put it. In the day cab with limited space, I got it all, including the speaker, to fit under the hood. In the TRX, I simply used rubber bands and zip ties to attach to the frame. I was still able to use the waterproof receiver box, though the soundboard and speaker are not protected. The studio sleeper gave me plenty of room to hide it underneath the bed. In addition to having cool sound and lights, there's also a simulated inertia system to provide a much more realistic driving experience. Also, everything is customizable. There are many engine and other sounds already included, or you can make your own. There are also other vehicle types, such as tracked vehicles like tanks or excavators. I am only giving a very brief and simple view of what this system can do. Be sure to check out the DIY Guy 999 on YouTube for more information and updates.